Hi, I'm Red the Cooking Dad and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken afritada. Afritada in Spanish is actually means to fry, but this dish is not fried chicken. We are going to, yes, fry a little bit, but it's gonna be cooked in broth with tomato sauce and some vegetables. But first, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing if you want to learn how to cook easy, simple, but delicious dishes. And don't forget to click on that notification so that we get notified when I upload new and exciting videos. Now, back to cooking chicken afritada. If you like this video, smash that like button and leave some comments down below and share this video to your friends. Also, stick around to watch some of my other videos in this channel.